Hello, my dear students. I miss you. How are you? Today we will have last grammar video in traveler form. Our lesson today is question tags. Oh, what do you think of the car? It's beautiful. Now, this is a complete sentence. It is beautiful. If we put a period, it is a complete sentence here. Do you see question tag? I don't see it. Where is it? It's right here, isn't it? Question tags. It's beautiful, isn't it? Isn't it is a question tags. Okay? Look at this picture. He can't lift the weight. So question tag, can he? Now, these two sentences are question tags. Why do we use them? Maybe because you want someone's opinion. You know that the car is beautiful. You like it, but you want to say if your friend agree with you, and so you ask him, it's beautiful, isn't it? Do you agree with me? Or sometimes you don't know and you want someone to tell you if it is true or not. He can lift the weight, can he? Now, how do we make these question tags? Look at these auxiliary verbs. These are auxiliary verbs. Am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, can, could, must, should, will, would. These are auxiliary verbs. Okay? So if you look at the sentence, is auxiliary verb, can't is auxiliary verb. It's right here. Okay? To make the question tag, you need to use the same auxiliary verb, and if it is affirmative, in sentence 1 is, you need to make it negative. Is, isn't. But in sentence 2, if it is negative, can't, you need to make it affirmative, can. It's auxiliary verb before a noun, not after it. So the auxiliary verb, can he, isn't it. Now, where is the auxiliary verb here? Can't is the auxiliary verb, and is auxiliary verb. So if it is affirmative in question tags, the auxiliary verb is negative. Can't, negative, can, affirmative. Okay? Now look at this picture. She finished it. She finished it. She finished a cake. How do you complete with question tag? Do you see any auxiliary verb? Is there any auxiliary verb? No. I don't say one. What do we do if you say no auxiliary verb? Then you must use do, does, did. So look at the verb here, finished. We add ed. So the verb is in past. In past, we use the auxiliary verb did. Finished is affirmative, so the auxiliary verb you need didn't is auxiliary verb but in negative. Didn't she? She finished it, didn't she? Okay. Now we move to exceptions. The exceptions for this rule. Exceptions means these rules don't apply. So these sentences are exceptions. If the sentence begin with let's, the sentence begin with let's, you finish with shall we. If the sentence start with a verb like when you give a command, eat your food or don't eat your food, you use will you. If a sentence begin with am or I am, you end aren't I, not amn't I. If the sentence every time begin with somebody, you finish with aren't they. Nobody, the sentence is finished, are they. These are exceptions for our rule. Now we move to our brackets. Write an appropriate question tag at the end of each statement. Number one, the book wasn't very good. So there is auxiliary verb in a negative, so we use affirmative, was it. It's too hot today. So auxiliary verb here, and you need negative, isn't it? You are the new teacher. Are is auxiliary verb, so the answer is aren't you. Mary made this cake. There is an auxiliary verb here, but the verb made is in the past, so we use didn't in the past. Didn't she? You will remember to buy some bread on your way home. So the auxiliary verb here, will, is an affirmative. We use want, you is a negative. Let's go to a restaurant. As we said before, this is exception for our rule. We use for let's at the end of sentence, shall we. You go to the gym every day. Go is in present simple, so we use in present simple negative don't. Remember is a command. Remember to buy a newspaper. What we use with the command, we use will you. Thank you for being attention and goodbye. Hope you enjoy our lesson. Goodbye, my dear students.